In a world that never stops moving, a new force is reshaping how we live, work, and connect. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a sci-fi dream. It is here, integrated into our pockets and our homes. From students mastering complex new subjects to designers crafting the impossible, AI is becoming our ultimate creative companion. And for professionals streamlining their busy days, it is the engine of efficiency and innovation. But beneath the surface, what is AI really? How does it actually think? And how can you make it work for you? Welcome to Nanocelerate. We are here to demystify the complex world of technology for everyone. We break down big ideas into simple, actionable insights for creators, students, and modern thinkers. Our mission is to make AI simple, smart, and accessible, no matter where you are starting from. Join us as we explore the tools of tomorrow, today. Let's unlock your potential together. Accelerate your AI knowledge one nano step at a time. Subscribe to Nanocelerate